Hi, my name is Philip Kang. In today's data-driven world, businesses need to extract insights from unstructured data like news articles, reviews, and forums. While IPA efficiently scrapes this data, the real challenge is transforming these large text chunks into actionable information. In today's demo, we will show how we can solve this with the Appian generative AI skills, the prompt builder. What I'm showing on my screen is how the prompt builder looks like. So on the top, at the prompt, I give it the large language model, set the goal, what I want to accomplish. So here I set in the role first, says you are an expert at sifting through large amounts of information and finding the entities of interest. Then I provide the LLM a list of the entities which I want the prompt builder to extract out for me. And then we leave the temperature at default, followed by 3 examples. So these examples basically set instruction to the large language model how to process the extraction. On the right section, under the test prompt, give us the capability to do a real-time testing to make sure that the text we give it going to give us the results exactly the way we expected. So on this test, seems like it's just doing the job exactly the way as we expect. So that's great. Now, let me switch gear to show how we can leverage this one. So under the process model, we introduce a new smart service plugin. We call it the execute generative AI skills. So it's very simple. You just drag and drop. So this is the one. You double click it. And in the setup, you just find the one we just created from the prompt builder, which is called the BRD, the real extraction, and then configure it for the data input and output. So what this process does is when the IPA bot has been kicked off, it's going to a industrial rail website and going to extract the news article one by one. And it will send to this process model in Appian. So this one, the first one, will of course just invoke the prompt builder, extract the list of the entities from the news article, and go through a list of steps of data massaging and formatting. And then finally, it's writing the data to a database table in Appian. So that's how it works. So now I think we are ready for show a live demo. Okay, so what I'm going to do is click the button, and the IPA bot is going to be kick off momentarily. Let's give it a couple seconds. Okay, here we go. So first thing is just open the browser window to a railway industrial website. So what this website does is every day it's going to post some news articles about the railway project, which is happening around the globe for that day. So the IPA bot is going to go through that list of the news articles and grab it and send it to the Appian process model. And of course, as we see earlier in the example, the process model, the first node is invoke the prompt builder. So the prompt builder going to be kicked off and looking into the news article and extract those entities which we care about in a JSON format, and then send to the backend database table. So that's the workflow for this demo. So as we see on the screen, it's going through the news article one by one. So when it's finished, we should expect navigate to the record type and see if the data is there. So it is still processing. Okay, it's finished. Great. Now we're going to click the record. And let's say scrolling down. Yes, we see that's a news article, all the data from extracted by the prompt builder successfully and writing to the backend database table. So to recap, what is happening is the Appian bot is to go to this industrial website and fetch the news article one by one. Sending it to Appian invokes a process model, which will invoke an AI skill prompt builder, which is going to extract with desired entities, which we care about from the news article, and writing down to a backend database table. This wrap up today's demo. Thank you for watching.